Under the Settings tab, the first option is Auto-Renew. It's a good idea to keep the Auto-Renew option enabled. If you forget to renew your domain before its expiration date, the domain is automatically placed back in the market for resale. Auto-Renew will automatically renew your domain and charge the amount to the payment method you have on file. Click the Manage button to turn Auto-Renew on or off. You can see the expiration date for this domain is February 4th, 2017. Here we can switch Auto-Renew on and off. The domain lock is another important option. This feature protects your domain from being stolen by a third party. To transfer a domain name to a third party or to a different registrar, you're required to have an authorization code provided by your current registrar. Your new registrar will request this code to complete the transfer. This is a safety precaution to make sure that your domain is secure at all times. Sometimes this authorization code can end up in the wrong hands. By turning on the lock option, a domain transfer cannot be completed. In the event that you do want to transfer your domain to another registrar, click the Email My Code link next to the authorization code label. The code will be emailed to the email address on file, and then you can use it to transfer your domain at your new registrar. If you just recently registered the domain, GoDaddy will not let you transfer the domain out until the date specified. In this case, it's April 5th, 2016, approximately 60 days after initial registration. To turn the domain lock off, click the Manage button, and you can check the off button and click Save, but it's always a good idea to keep it on.